Aria? Are you doing the washing?
Yes.
Have them babies made all the clothes dirty? And you're going to wash them. Do you know how to put it on, Aria? Do you know how to put it on? That's it. And then press a button. What shall we press? Press it once. And then press wash. Oh, it's because the door isn't closed. Close the door. That's it. Now press wash. That button. That's it. Well done, Aria. Here's a cookie for your trouble. So, phew, all done. I think they're ready.
Oh, it's red there.
Yeah. Yep, they need it again. They're not quite clean yet. Wow. Well done, Aria. You have a break with your biscuit while the washing is getting done, okay? You've had a hard day's work.